says it can't be free from all of the things that I used to be? Rewrite my history. Who says it can't be free?
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
I'm Nina.
And I'm Randa.
Don't mind me raising
Just
my
kidding,
armpits.
my name is Kerflunka.
Don't mind me raising my armpits. I'm on a budget and I have not bought razors.
Laser.
I
Or
do have razors. I'm just
She has
lazy.
very hairy armpits.
Are they that bad?
They're really bad. I'm so glad you guys know this. Today, we are making ice cream sandwiches.
I was at a cemetery the other night.
Wait, what?
No, for real. I was at a cemetery the other
Okay.
night. And it's like this thing in LA that they do. You can watch a movie in the cemetery.
Yes.
It was a date and it was really fun. And I said as it was over, I want an ice cream sandwich.
Oh, yeah.
So that's what we're making today.
Yay! It's gonna be healthy. You know,
I wanted the unhealthy kind though.
no, we want the healthy kind. It's gonna be easy.
I've just been waiting to make this video so that I can eat an ice cream sandwich.
On the low. I feel like it's been a minute since we've like caught up with you guys. So let's get
Into the news. So we got our Yo Nana's machine right here. This is how we're gonna make our ice of the cream and our blender.
Can you tell that Nina and I had caffeine?
Like once a year.
We had a very busy week and we're like, we need some caffeine for this video.
Oh.
Let's get started.
The first thing we're gonna do, ladies and gentlemen, is kick Randa out of the video.
No.
Just kidding. Oh, also, okay, yeah, we got the ingredients. Our medjool dates that Randa has pitted.
Yes.
We're just gonna put those in the blender, and also as we're making this ice cream sandwich, we're just gonna answer your questions from Instagram. We got all the pits out of these, right?
Yes.
All right. Do you have
So
some of our-
depending on how many cookies you'd like to make, obviously for an ice cream sandwich you need 2. So this is just the leftover dates we have because we already
But
have
like
some.
obviously you need 4 because you're gonna want to eat more than one ice cream sandwich.
Duh. All right, so add those.
We got the oats right here.
Yeah.
Also, if you didn't notice, we have these super cute hats on. Our mom says that we look really cute, so we thought we'd wear them. But the actual truth is, she really did say that. The truth is, we haven't washed our hair since Monday. It's Friday. You're watching this on Saturday. It's Friday, Friday. Cooking ice cream sandwich on Friday.
We're not cooking it though.
Baking ice cream sandwich on, assembling ice cream sandwich on Friday. We're not
Friday.
baking. We're not baking. Blending ice cream sandwich
on
on Friday.
Oh God. Please give this video a thumbs up if you love us.
Also, if you didn't notice, there's bananas on my outfit, and we're using bananas in the recipe.
Oh my gosh, you're so cool!
Thanks!
How much oats should I put in this?
A cup?
Basically.
That's probably good.
Do we add water?
A little bit of water.
We add in a little bit of water.
Boom.
Boom.
ASMR, ASMR, ASMR. Okay, blend it already. Have you washed your hands? Because we gotta make this into a cookie formation.
Yes. Oh no.
Not unusual to be loved by anyone.
Da-da-da-da-da. Where's my soulmate? Are
It's
you
not
watching?
unusual to see me cry.
I cry every night myself to sleep.
Myself to sleep.
Not anymore.
I haven't cried in like at least a week.
You know, there's a rule. Every time you say, I haven't cried since then,
You cry that day.
Is that serious? I have that
Actually,
rule.
this is the perfect consistency, Randa. Great job.
Thanks so much, Nina. Okay, guys, I'm going to answer some of your questions that you asked us on Instagram. Somebody asked me, what are you studying? For those of you who don't know, I just started college. I've finished 2 semesters.
And she got all A's. If I say it, it's okay. It's not bragging. You're welcome, Randa.
Thanks, Nina. I also got 1 A+.
Wow!
I'm studying psychology. That's my chosen major right now. I'm still
So
doing
pause that
GEs.
moment, guys. I got it into a little ball formation, and then I'm just gonna... Just like Randa's love life, everyone. Just like my heart. Just flatten it out. Just throw it across the room. Stop on it.
I'm just kidding. Just like my heart. What am I studying? Psychology. That's what I like to study so far. Some of you guys are asking me, I get DMs saying...
Wait, can you get some parchment paper, please?
Yes. We got some parchment paper. of you guys asked me on Instagram if like, oh, do you want to go? What do you want to do with your degree? Or I don't know, like what kind of job I'm looking for, why I'm going. And the reason I'm in school is because I like to learn. Not necessarily because...
That's why I'm not in school, ladies and gents.
No, I like the... Even though it can be annoying to like have to do an assignment by a certain time, I still like the kind of organizational timeline that you're going to learn something.
Okay.
And I think that's why I like it. Next person, favorite ice cream flavor, assuming it's vegan. Of course it's gonna be vegan. What's my favorite? I love cookie dough ice cream. What about you?
I don't know.
How do you deal with people thinking
Hold on. Again, what's something else that's flat?
My chest?
Just like Randa's chest, ladies and gentlemen.
Flatten it out.
And you want your cookies to be even in size, not like Randa's chest.
Stop!
I'm kidding. No, but for real, every girl, like, come on, the left boob's always a little bit bigger. It's facts.
I mean,
It is facts.
I know it. This is facts.
We learned about this in health class.
in 5th grade.
Yeah.
Don't worry about me though. They're average
They're
and normal.
great.
Jeez. Also, I am a rockin' a B cup. Thanks for asking. How to deal with people thinking you're weird for the way that you eat? Just don't give a.
Fa la 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 la. Wait, we should make that a thing. Just don't give a fa la la la.
Literally, the people that care, do you really need them in your life? Who cares?
Well, what if they're your
Someone eats?
family? Well, they'll grow into it. Just do your thing. Don't be obnoxious about it and be like, I'm right, and everyone has to be like me. Just do your thing quietly and,
Yeah.
let people do whatever.
Someone asked how to work out to be lean and not bulky. I love weight training. I think there's a big misconception that, oh no, if I lift weights, I'm going to be bulky
So we
or
only have
whatever.
enough for 2, just saying. So should we just eat this one now? I'm just making a little extra date ball.
I would say don't worry about being bulky.
You get your heart pumping, do some cardio, and then also just like lift some weights. Watch our videos if you want to get some ideas.
Link in the description. We do weight training for the booty.
At least 3 times a week.
Where do you... No, we don't. We weight train like twice
Twice a week at least.
Can you beat your sister in a thumb war?
You want to touch my hands right now?
I do.
1, 2, 3, 4. I declare a thumb war. 5, 6, 7, 8. Try to keep your thumb straight.
See, we have the same...
Tactic to stay straight.
Yeah.
Ah! Ah!
She cheated! That didn't count. How to deal with liking your best guy friend and knowing he likes me too.
Wait. He likes you and he's your guy friend?
You're in the best situation.
I think he should be your boyfriend. Maybe even your husband.
Yeah, just be like, yo.
You like me, I like you.
Yeah, be upfront.
And I think we'd make a great pair.
I love you. You love me.
Let's get together and...
Yeah. And
What is it?
something with Barney.
Let's get together and
Make a family.
Ooh, I like that. Let's
With-
get together and plant a tree. Da-na-na-na-na.
And a kiss from me to you.
Won't you say you'll love me too?
Barney,
Maybe just don't do that.
don't do that part. How to deal with craving candy/sweets
On a vegan diet, you're looking at it right now. Moving on.
Now, let's show them the next step.
First things first, we're gonna put our cooks in the
Fridge. Freezer. Let's do that.
Now it's time for the ice cream.
Vanilla
Ice, baby, banana ice cream, baby. So, we froze these bananas that are ripe. You want them spotty brown, because then they're the most sweet. Now,
Alright,
let's turn this on. This is a Yonanas machine, and it literally turns you frozen fruit into soft serve texture. You
Specifically,
could
bananas.
add bananas, and then you could also add like
Raspberries.
strawberries. You could also add like strawberries or even like frozen peaches.
Let's
But
do
the
this.
main thing is bananas.
Let's go.
So once you finish with your soft serve, there's actually a lot more soft serve left in the machine. So let's open that up and get the remainder of that into our bowl. And how many bananas was this? Was this like 3 or 4?
Yeah, it
It
makes
makes
a
a lot
lot.
of ice cream.
Mm.
Put a little salt on it. It's like salted caramel.
We have our frozen little
Cookies.
cookies. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna take a scoop Scoop, scoop.
Scoopity scoop.
All right, we're gonna start off with this.
Do
Boom,
you
baby.
need more ice
No, I
cream?
think that's perfect.
Now let's put the top of it on.
Wow.
Look at that ice cream sandwich!
Oh
my god!
Let's
This
get a
is the
close-up.
best thing we've made.
Pop that on there. And we flatten it out.
And we just
Squish.
Mmm.
And then obviously you have to keep these frozen because they do melt. I'll take the
I
first.
get first bite.
I get the first bite. Okay.
Is it good? It's so good.
Oh. It is unbelievable. And you know what you could also do? You could put a little bit of PB2 powder on this. Like dip it in some peanut butter.
First you taste
powder.
the ice cream and then you taste the
Yeah,
cookie.
Wait, I'm not sharing. She's not sharing, everybody.
Mmm.
Give this video a thumbs up if you want to make this. Let us know in the comments what you would like to see us make healthy next. I really like a more ice cream ratio.
I like more cookie ratio.
I can't believe
Ladies
that.
and gents, you gotta make this. It's so easy and quick. As long
And
as you have the
healthy.
frozen bananas. Thanks for tuning in. And we will see you next video on Disney Channel.
Dun, 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 dun. Bye.